let's see if we got any corn left at all. Woo, it's windy. Which was very successful. A lot of deer in there, a lot of critters. Windy, come on, drop it. Oh, this is the last standing patch. I saw 4 bucks today here. All right, we are going to do a winter drone flight after a 6 to 8 inch snowstorm. It's late afternoon, just want to get an idea on if we got any deer movement on the property, and I'll show you my food plots. So that cattle pond right there, that's the one that I patched up. The deer don't like the drone, but we'll see if we're high enough. So this first plot here is the West Mineral Site. It used to be a mineral site anyways. My camera pinged a couple pictures off of this today. Not sure if we got deer, turkey in there. See the watering hole there that I dug about a year, a little over a year ago now. That's a clearing that we did. That was just an overflow clearing. So let's head up to the north end here on the hay fields. Put it in sport mode, move a little faster. This is all corn down here. This is standing corn right here. What do we got there? Is that a deer? Nope. I checked this standing corn just the other day and it's all gone. Alright, let's see if we got any corn left at all. This is the last standing patch. Oh, I think we're out. I think we are totally out. All gone. All gone. All the ears are gone. Missouri is done gone crazy now on the CWD BS. Yep. Alright. Just, yeah, they devoured it. 12 acres is gone. It's January. What we got there? Well, looks like, I don't know if them are deer or just where they've been scratching. January 27th, so we're almost into February. So this was all corn in this whole middle section. So that's the briar patch plot right there. And again, I don't know if them are deer or if that's just where they're scratching in the green plot. Let's run down to the bottom plot. I'm going to try to make a loop here. That should be the original bottom plot right here. And you see I got the second bottom plot across the driveway. I saw 4 bucks today here. I got a little bit of video. They were coming across the driveway. It's a nice buck right there. All right, I'm going to skim and fly right over these, but I'm pretty sure this is 2 deer right here in the brand new, one of the 2 brand new micro bottom plots from this year. I'm not seeing anything. What is this opening right here? Let me see here. Oh, that's the camper pad for Mount That's the camper pad for Walton's Mountain. All right, let's swing around. Now this is the North Ridge. This middle one's a green plot. See the banks blind? I see nobody in there at all. We'll run over to the 3-acre corn plot. And I'm outside right now and it's freezing. I'm going to tell you that. It is freezing. It's going to be single digits tonight again. There's the banks blind in the corner. Again, I ain't seeing any critters. It's like a ghost town now because we ran out of food. We ran out of food. So that's the driveway plot. You know, this was all corn and beans in here. Yeah, man, this place is a ghost town. Let's check this. This is the South Ridge big plot. It was a beautiful, beautiful green plot and a watering hole. Big success during the year, but now late season, nothing, man. It's a ghost town. Maybe on the big screen I'll see more. And this here is another clearing I made on the cost share. I didn't plant anything in it, but we made, you know, $500-600 for a wildlife cost share. Here's the bottom. Here you could see where we logged down here. It's a lot thinner up here on the top of this ridge. That should come into a lot of nice bedding here. Ooh, it's cold out here. And we're strategically logging to try and keep improving this farm. There's the brand new bottom plot, which was very successful. A lot of deer in there, a lot of critters in that. But hunting, we only hunted it once or twice. The wind swirled down there. But again, that was a cost share, so at least we got some return on equity on that. I mean, I haven't seen a single live deer yet right now. Maybe on the big screen I'll see some more, but man. Let's see where we're at here. What's this one here? This looks like the south. I think we flew over this one already. So let me get back to the house here. Oh, I'm kind of lost now. I get turned around. Where are we? There we go. Yeah, this was just an overflow clearing site. Nothing planted in there. Man, it's a ghost town, and that's what happens in frigid winter. This is the worst time of year for land management. When you run out of food, this is when they die. They starve. But the good news is the deer on our farm this year, the ones we did harvest, they all had a lot of nice fat on them from the corn and beans all year. So it is a year-round process. So they did have, you know, and you're also, you know, you're feeding them for the next year. So the does this year had all the extra corn and bean, the protein and carbs, so that the pregnant ones are going to be in better shape looking into the spring. There's my driveway microplot and corn plot also. There's my deer tower right there. Had some nice bucks come through there, man. All right, my battery's running low already. Let's bring it in, but that is a winter flight. Cancel. Let me come on my own. That was a winter flight. I didn't see any life. If you guys see any life in there, put it in the comments. But it's a little discouraging. You work so hard and now they've banned baiting. So yeah, let's hope we can get this drone down. Right there, drop it right there. Woo, it's windy. Windy, come on, drop it. Nice, perfect timing. Oh, let's get in the house, it's cold out here.